Introduction. Ram was absent from school for past 3 days. His friend Rahul went to his home looking for him. Ram's mother informed him that he is suffering from malaria and will not attend school for a few more days. Rahul was worried for his sick friend. He also wanted to learn how his friend caught malaria. In this lesson, you will learn about malaria-causing mosquitoes. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the malaria-causing mosquito, discuss preventive measures of malaria, explain anemia, discuss diseases caused by flies. Malaria-causing mosquito. Malaria is spread when a person is bit by a malaria-carrying mosquito. The female Anopheles mosquitoes are the carrier of malaria. The female mosquito leaves the malarial parasite into the blood through its saliva when it sucks blood. Symptoms of malaria. Malaria can be confirmed by doing a blood test. A person suffering from malaria suffers from fever with chills and rigors. The person might have headache and nausea. Preventive measures. Malaria is more common during the rainy season. Do not let the water collect around. Fill up the pits with mud. Keep the water pots, coolers and tank clean. They should be dried every week. You can also spray oil if water has collected at some places. Use mosquito nets and repellents. Other diseases. Other diseases like dengue, chikungunya, filaria, etc. are caused by mosquito bite. Increasing solubility. Malaria parasite affects the red blood cells and spread throughout the body. The red blood cells have hemoglobin. The normal range is 12 to 16 gm per dl. Less amount of hemoglobin or iron in blood causes anemia. Due to anemia, children do not grow well and their energy levels are low. This also affects their ability to study properly. Diseases spread by flies. Flies spread diseases like dysentery, cholera, typhoid and anthrax. Flies are easily attracted by open garbage. They sit on dirty matters. Again, when these sit upon the food, microbes are mixed into the food, from where these can enter human body. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The female Anopheles mosquitoes are the carrier of malaria. A person suffering from malaria suffers from fever with chills and rigors. Other diseases like dengue, chikungunya and filaria are caused by mosquito bite. Flies spread diseases like dysentery, cholera, typhoid and anthrax.